In today's video, I will teach you how to make a seamless pattern in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click on File, then select New to create a new document. Set your desired width and height, for example 500 by 500 pixels, and make sure that the background is set to transparent or white depending on your needs. Now we're going to design the pattern. Use the various tool in Photopea to create or import elements for your pattern. For example, shapes, illustrations, and icons. And ensure your design stays within the boundaries of the canvas. And avoid placing the elements too close to the edges for now. If you have multiple layers, select them all in the Layers panel, then right-click and choose Duplicate Layers, then merge the duplicated layers into one by right-clicking again and selecting Merge Layers. With the merged layer selected, go to Filter, Other, then Offset. Then set the horizontal and vertical values to half the size of your canvas. For example, 250 pixels if your canvas is 500 by 500 pixels. This will move your design to the edges and create a gap in the center. Now we're going to fill in the gaps. Fill in the center and any other gaps that appeared after offsetting. And make sure that these new elements don't go beyond the edges. Then repeat the offset step with the same values to ensure everything lines up correctly. If you notice any misalignment, you can adjust accordingly. Now we're going to define the pattern. Start by selecting the entire canvas. To do this, press Ctrl A or Command A to select the entire canvas. Then go to Edit, Define New, then Pattern. Then name your pattern and click OK. Now we're going to test the seamless pattern. To do this, create a new and larger document to test your pattern. For this example, I'm going to use 1000 by 1000 pixels. Now select the Paint Bucket tool or simply press G on your keyboard, and in the top menu, change the Fill option to Pattern and select your newly created pattern from the drop-down menu. If you want to save the pattern for future use, you can save the document as a PSD file by going to File, then Save as PSD. And you can also export the pattern as an image file if needed by going to File, then select Export As, then choose a format like PNG and JPEG. And now you've created a seamless pattern in Photopea that can be used for various design projects. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.